green detox juice, or you call it green detox drink. So let's have a taste. Nothing tastes good like natural drink. This packs with a lot of nutrients. If you want to lose weight, or you are on your weight loss journey, so this is a good drink for you. If not, watch my video on my green detox smoothie I made. I will add the link to this video. Go and watch it. But for this drink, it makes a whole lot of difference. Green detox juice, green detox drink. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making green detox juice, or what I call it celery, cucumber and kiwi juice. So I'll be using cucumber, the whole of this. I'll be using my celery, and then I'll be using my kiwi fruits. So first of all, I'll go and wash it off and cut it into tiny pieces. For this juice, I'll be making it with my blender, so I need to cut it into small pieces. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I just finished washing it and slicing it, so I'm going to talk you through the health benefits of each of these vegetables. This is kiwi. Kiwi is a good source of vitamin C, E, vitamin K and folate. It has enzyme called actinidin that helps in digestion. It supports immune function. It's rich in protective antioxidants that helps to fight free radicals in our system, and it supports healthy hearts. Celery is very good source of vitamin A, C, K, very good source of potassium, folate and calcium. It helps in managing blood pressure. It's rich in antioxidants. It helps in weight loss. It reduces cancer risk. It prevents inflammation, and it aids in digestion. Cucumber is good for hydration and detoxification. It helps to regulate blood pressure. It aids in digestion. It reduces blood sugar. It helps in weight loss. It's good for nail, hair and skin, and it reduces the risk of cancer. So we'll be using 3 cups of water for this juice, and like I said, because we'll be using our blender to make this juice, so we slide this into pieces because we'll be using our blender to make this juice. So first of all, I'll go in with my celery. I'm going with my cucumber. And finally, I'll go with my kiwi. And I'll be adding my water. I'll cover it up and transfer to my water base. And blend. So I use my max blend button to blend this. Blend it till it is smooth. Now I'm done blending, so I'm going to strain it. So I did this training 2 times, the first one, and this is the second time I'm straining it, just to remove any extra particles or fiber in it. So after straining, I transfer to my jug ready to be served. So guys, you can serve this cold. You can put it in your fridge and serve it cold, or use an ice cube to serve this and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell button so that you get the notification when I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.